Your wigs never fit perfectly because you are missing this step. Watch closely as I go through these measurements with you. To start with, you're going to need tape measures, heat gun, solution tape, pins, scissors, and shrinkable bags. First, I'll start by removing the metal tip from the tape measure. But before we continue, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Rosemary. I'm a wig maker with about a decade of experience within the hair industry, and on this channel we talk about all things hair and wigs. So if this is something for you and you want to level up your wig game, then please subscribe to my channel. Now let's dive right in. This is the front of the canvas head, and I am going to start by measuring 9 inches from the bottom up. 9 inches right from the bottom to the top. Then I'm going to flip the tape measure over and take it to the back, and that is the measurement for the front to the nape. As you can see, the first measurement sits right in the middle of the canvas head. This canvas block head comes with 3 stitched lines, 1 in the center and 2 on the sides, which will serve as a guide for this kind of measurement. So I'll go ahead and measure from front to back, front to the nape, 13.5 inches, and then cut it, tape it down, whilst the front is still secured with the pin. So that is the front to nape done. Nice and easy. Now we will move on to the nape of the neck. And as I mentioned previously, there are stitches on the canvas head, and that will be our guide. So I'm going to take my tape measure. I'm not taking a new one, it's still the old one. I don't want to waste it. So I'll be starting from 21 and I'll measure 5 inches. This measurement will help you to know where to place the wig cap at the nape of your neck or at the nape of the customer's neck. So basically I'm going to measure 5 inches, use my pin to secure it down, and then cut and tape it down. The reason why these measurements has become so much popular is to guide proper cap placements, right? Whether you are making the wig for yourself or a client, it's just to help you to make sure that you are placing the cap at the right places, so that when the customer wears the wig or when you wear the wig, it will sit perfectly. So once that this is done, I'm going to move on to the temple to temple, and once again I'm using the 2 stitches on the sides of the canvas head. Okay, I'm taking a new tape measure because this time around I want it to start from 1. So I will secure it by pinning it down once again, and then take the tape measure across at the back to the other stitch on the side of the canvas head. I hope that makes sense, but just watch what I'm doing. Make sure that it is all straight and nice as you are doing this. You measure 17 inches, then cut it, then tape it down. Okay, now because this side is quite long, you have to go to the back and also tape the middle part down so that the tape does not end up moving. Now moving on to the fun part where we shrink the bag. So I'll place the bag on the canvas head, making sure that it sits perfectly. I'll straighten it if it needs to be, and also make sure that the tape are still very secured on the canvas block head. Then I will take the glue gun. When you are shrinking the bag, please be mindful of not taking the gun close to the plastic bag, otherwise it will just burn. So shrink it a bit further, give a bit of distance, and then shrink it. So put it on and then shrink it. Just look at what I'm doing. It's quite easy. Now if you want to know where I got these products and tools, I got them from Amazon. Where else? So I'll leave the links in the description box. This step is necessary because it helps to maintain a clean canvas head and also keep your tape measurements securely in place over time. Once I am satisfied with how the plastic is looking on the canvas head, how tight it is, I'll go ahead and cut the excess plastic underneath and once again shrink it so that everything will look nice, clean and good basically. Just look at this, perfect and clean. This is how to place measurements on your canvas block head. Right, we have come to the end of today's video. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. And if you haven't liked already, what are you waiting for? Please like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.